Hello, I'm Emanuele Stillitani and I work as an application specialist for Cadmatic. Today we are going to see the status tracking function. With the status tracking function, an operator is able to follow and to track the status of some object as a function of values that the system administrator sets. For example, let's suppose in this case that the operator wants to follow and keep update the status of these pumps. What the operator could do, it could click on one item. On the right, we see the information relevant to this item. And now we focus under this ribbon, the status tracking ribbon. Here we see that the pump maintenance status is set to check. The operator could change the status. For example, it could put the status on change. How can we see information in this respect? We could see the information from a visual style, and so for example we could click here and select pump maintenance, and we see that the color of the pump is red, namely the pump have to be changed. But for example, we could update the status of this pump because this pump have been changed, so the operator clicks here and changes the status of the pump and put OK. The pump have been replaced. Now it is fully working, and you can see it with a green color. I let you notice that the operator can always keep the track of the data when they are changed, so quality is preserved. The same information that now you see as a graphical point of view with different colors, you can see also as a hierarchy. For example, here I change the hierarchy to pump maintenance, and I can see what pump have to be checked. This pump have to be checked. These pumps here have to be changed. And I can also easily browse from here and change the status of a pump. I just click here, I click examine, I'm on the pump. Now its status is on check, and I can change it to OK. And now the color is back on green once the status, the pump, is not under examine mode.